So first thing to get our form. So let's imagine we were drawing this without form. The first thing you guys would kind of do is just kind of draw the shape. Again, we said that shape is just a flat version of what a form is. So let's say I've got something like,
that looks like a real cupcake.
Something like that with my cupcake. Now, that's not bad. That's good for a flat cupcake. But again, I want my cupcake to have form. So the one thing I need to do, and this is a very, very important step to do, is I need to change these flat lines to make them have a little bit more of a curve to them. Almost kind of like you're turning them into a little bit of a smiley face. So if I kind of go and just put a little curve like that, do the same curve on top here. I need to get rid of these other lines. That little curve will really help make it a little more 3D, because it looks, if you looked at, let's see, so how about my coffee cup right here? If I have my coffee cup, can you see the bottom of it, how the bottom of it is curved?
Yeah.
Now that's because this is 3D. Just like my cupcake here should have that same kind of idea of having a curved line. Even though it sits flat on my table, it has that curved line if you look at that round kind of bottom there. So then with what we'll do with our cupcakes is we are going to use a Sharpie once we've got our idea down. And again, if you want your icing to be kind of bouncy like that, or if you want it to be a little bit bigger, or if you want it to have a design on it, that's fine. If you want to put a cherry on it, that's great too. That part's going to be up to you. But then once you're done, you'll go through just like we've done before, and you'll just kind of Sharpie over those lines. And then you can go through and erase any extra pencil that you might have went over. So again, you can kind of change it up a little bit. A little cherry in there.
Big cherry.
So, and that's kind of what I'd like for my cupcake. Now again, is this, I mean, it's not small, it's not super huge, but it's taking up a good amount of my paper here. So if you want to add a line for like a table or something, you can add a line so it looks like it's sitting on a table, or it looks like it's got a background behind it. That's fine. You don't have to do that though. I just want the cupcake, and again, I want it to be pretty big. And then when you're done with the Sharpie, you can go through and erase any of those extra pencil lines to kind of really clean it up. And that will be our goal for today, is to have a finished cupcake, and then we'll be ready to start doing our painting and our other ideas with that next class.